everybody, and welcome to the shop. In today's video we're dealing with an unusual tool, and I think you can tell I have to pull it out and dust it off a little. This is a rolling mill. Specifically, it's a knife maker's rolling mill, but it's really for any small width piece of bar stock, and that's precisely what the tool makes. Rolling mills make bar stock. Now, why would you need a tool like that? Well, it's really for breaking down material or resizing what you already have. In my larger project, I'm working on a 16th century parrying dagger that calls for about 5/16 inch thick stock. And I don't have that. Most material defaults to 1/4 inch in thickness, maybe 1/8. And so what I have to do is start with a larger width material, forge it down to achieve the thickness again, and then I could leave it there, or what I'm doing here is running it through the rolling mill to achieve a nice, flat, even surface across the length of the bar. And then that's a good starting point for the rest of my project. A rolling mill is not a particularly complicated tool, although there are more complicated versions. It's a powered roller and a roller that slips free, and in this case a mechanical cam that you can step on to get the desired pressure. It doesn't take much. One thing about a rolling mill is that although it makes it flat in one dimension, if there's any unevenness, that will result in a curve in the material that you have to take out on the anvil a little bit later. But what you're left with is a nice, flat starting point for the rest of your project. And that's all we have for tonight. Thanks all.